6. Universal set is 1 to 20. E is even number. M is multiple of 5. Okay. So even number. Find the n of M. N is a number of element. So M is multiple of 5. So multiple the 5 between 1 to 20. To 5, 10, 15, 20. You should get 4. Number of element is 4. Find the element of set E intersect with M. This is intersection. I mean, both have together. So the set E is even number. This is M. E is even number, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So the intersection both together, we have 10 and 20 elements, so it's 10 and 20. C, Y is not element of. This symbol is not element of. Not element of elements. Skip. Sorry for that. Okay. Not element of. Okay. Write down the possible value of Y. So E is a even number. You can give any number between 1 to 20. There is not an even number. I just put here 3. You can give other numbers. Maybe, so it's odd number between 1 to 20. Okay. So your Y is odd number between 1 to 20. 1, odd number. Is odd number. Y is odd between 1 to 20. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.